bird?
Yeah, that's a bird. Yeah, good morning, bird. Is Ella still sleeping?
Oh yeah, of course she's like, hey, come on here. Look on. Your fingers.
Yum yum, that one, yum yum. So what you're having? It's a toast with...
Self-made strawberry jam.
It's not strawberry, it's Hershey.
Ah, yeah, cherry.
Cherry. Yum yum, Francine. Francine, look here. Wow, that's it here. This is from Cory. Trying this one. I don't know.
Frank Squad.
Frank's, aka... How do you call them? As a guardian. Yeah, see, Hershey. It's cherry. Okay, Frank. And this is mine, my coffee. Frank's coffee. And that's Francine's yum yum. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys.
She has more.
Wait, she wants more, baby.
Yeah,
You
that's
want
it
more?
here.
Yeah, you have to wait.
Yeah, yeah. Bitte schön. Zack.
Wow. Yum yum naman yan, uy.
Oy,
Just sit down, just sit. Ayan, pinick up na finally guys ang ating balikbayan box. Akala ko hindi ayun na si dito.
Make it so secret, eh?
Hello guys, good evening. Today, kusina na naman. Pagsensyahan nyo na guys. Nasa bahay lang ako na naman. You know na kasi pag nasa labas, hindi ako nagbablog kasi nahihiya ako sa sa mga, kasi nung one time nasita ako sa shopping center, ay sa grocery store, tapos bawal daw vlog kasi dito higpit yung nila pag mga ganyan mga privacy. So anyway, today is today is October 6 and finally na-pick up na yung ating balikbayan box guys. Diba sabi ko last time is October 5, then yesterday hindi na naman sila pumunta, so tinext ko sila, chinat ko sila kasi sa chat kami nag-uusap, tapos chinat ko sila kung pupunta pa ba sila dito, then na-delay daw yung driver, unsure ba, so gusto nang pumunta last night at 11 PM kasi na siguro sila kasi pag ilang schedule ko na to, tapos sabi niya na tonight daw at 11 PM din. Sabi ko naman na ano ba naman yan, 11 PM para naman tayong dyan. So sabi ko bukas na lang kasi pag 11 PM natutulog si mga bata, si Francine natutulog, tapos nagigising pa naman to pag may mag-ring ng bell. Tapos yun nga ang nangyari, kanyang umaga finally na pick up na nila guys. Hindi naman Pinoy yung may-ari ng Ben's balikbayan box, so para sa akin hindi naman ako masyadong nag-complain na matagal. Yun nga lang, hindi siya dadating ng Pasko. Kinonfirm ni Kuya kanina kinonfirm nung nag-pick up kanina. Pinoy kasi yung nag-pick up. Sabi ko magka-pick up muna kasi ang aga niyang dumating, mga 8 siguro siya dumating dito. Tapos sabi ko buti na lang maaga kami gumising, hindi din sila tumawag, hindi nag-text. Buti na lang talaga every morning, di ba guys, nakikita na sa last video ko pag umaga si Francine sa bintana, tapos yung papa niya naghahanda ng coffee, tapos yun nga nakita ng papa niya, kita ni Frank, sabi ni Frank, oh that's it, the Ben's balikbayan box. Sabi ko din, tapos nakapangtulog pa ako, so ayun, mamadali akong magbihis and so on. Ayun na nga, na-pick up na din nila finally. So that's all. Hindi naman masama yung experience ko kasi at least hindi nila ako sinisin zone. At least nagre-reply talaga sila. So ayun, na-pick up na ng ating box at hindi nga siya makakarating ng Christmas. So, dadating siya. Wala na kami doon sa Pinas. Pero that's okay. That's okay. Sila na din bahala doon. Okay, okay lang din. Okay lang din kahit hindi na namin madatnan yung box. So, at least na-pick up na nila. So, let's see kung kailan dadating. Sabi niya, January na daw, mga second week. So, let's see kung dadating siya ng second week ng January. So, ayun guys, nagluluto ako ng dinner namin. Ito na naman tayo. Housewife duty. May pasta ako dito. Pasta. May beef steak. Pinalambot ko yung beef steak ko guys. Tapos na ko siyang timplahan. Pinalambot ko na lang siya beef steak. At saka nag-steam ako ng broccoli. Lagi talaga kaming may steam broccoli pag nagluluto. Kasi yun lang. Basta lang. So, nag-steam ako ng broccoli. Ayun. And then, si Francine at si Ella nasa sala, si Frank naman nasa opisina niya. So, ayun na guys. So, today guys, October 6 nga. And maybe, yung vlog ko is yung pakuan-kuan kung may ano lang, may gagawin. So, let's see guys. So, ayun guys. Wow, nice hair, Manoy. Wow! Nice hair, nice hair. Wow, nice hair, man. Oh, my beautiful eyes. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Nice hair, nice hair. Nice hair. Wow. Smile, please, smile. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Oops. Hi, guys. Dayon, hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi guys! Wow! Sexy naman mo tayo. Wow, nice hair, man. Nice hair. What? After lunch. After lunch. Not yet. Wow. Wow. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.